Hello there. Hi. Okay, so as you can see, I really need to wash my hair. And I thought that I might give you a little unboxing of LOCKENBOX. So if you don't know what LOCKENBOX is, it's actually a subscription box for curly and wavy and kinky hair. And it's actually a service where you can pay around 30 euros per box. And you can get it either each month or you can get it every second month. And you usually get around 4 or 5 products. What I really like about the box is the variety, because they're working with a lot of brands that are well known, but they're also introducing a lot of new brands, and I really appreciate that I can try so many new products from brands I wouldn't even hear about because you cannot buy them here. This is the brand Frize. I don't want to butcher a name, I'm really sorry. Yeah, it's actually a brand that really, focuses on all types of waves and curls. Really brings all the moisture and all the great ingredients into their recipes. They're trying to use natural ingredients that are non-toxic. They're not using any filler ingredients that are unnecessary. Yeah, they're really focusing on the hair manageability, hydration, and also just simplicity of the routine. In the box, as you can see, you get the products and you get some leaflets. This is so hard to hold. This is the Make Me Smile LOCKENBOX. You get this little leaflet where you actually have all information about all products you get here. This leaflet with all products from this brand. I never heard of this brand and I'm actually very excited to try it. The first one you get is WASHDAY Clarifying Shampoo. This looks like quite a decent size actually. And this is a WASHDAY Clarifying Shampoo with green tea extract and peppermint, which is supposed to revitalize, eliminate buildup. Yeah, it is called Clarifying Shampoo, but it's funny because I don't see any harsh cleansing ingredients. It's very jiggly. The next product we have is the Nourishing Mango Conditioner with mango and shea butter, and it's rich in antioxidants. It provides maximum moisture, reduces breakage, and is excellent for dry hair. You can use this as a conditioner and you can also use it for deep conditioning if you want. It does contain shea butter, mango butter, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. This is probably not going to be the most lightweight conditioner ever, but it's probably going to be very nourishing. So the third product is Lush Leave-In Styling Hair Cream. This product is like a hybrid between leave-in and curling cream, and it contains flaxseed and it's also curl defining. Also contains shea butter, so it's probably not going to be very lightweight because it's very much up there. The smell of these products actually really reminds me of Brooklyn because they have these very herby scents. And the last product we have, which is actually a full-size product, this is the Make Me Smile Hair Gel with Soft Hold. And again, it contains flaxseed and it's supposed to be curl defining. It's supposed to have light hold. Oh, it smells citrusy. Oh, it has bergamot in it. And I like that. All of these products are Curly Girl Method friendly. I do follow the Curly Girl Method, not 100%, but majority of my products are CGM friendly. So let's test it out on my hair. This is the finished wash day. I have to admit, I have quite mixed feelings about this. It looks way worse on camera than it looks in person. Yeah, so let's go over it one by one. So I started with the shampoo. As you saw in the clip, I had to wash the hair twice. It wasn't foaming up very well, but I really liked the consistency, the smell, and once I actually managed to really cleanse my hair with it twice, it worked pretty well. Next was the Nourishing Mango Conditioner. This one, not such a hit. I had a really hard time detangling my hair. It didn't have much slip. I'm a little iffy about the conditioner. I don't really think it's for me. Next was the Leave-In Styling Hair Cream. I first liked it because I saw some definition in my hair, but then it kind of felt like it's drying out my hair as I apply it. And now that my hair is dry, it feels a little bit like build-up-y. So I think it's this one. I think this actually might be a little too heavy for me. Even though my hair was very dry and it needed some moisture, this just didn't do it. Then I applied a foam because I always apply a foam and there's not a foam in this box, so I just wanted to, make sure I'm following my standard routine. So I added my Innersense foam because it has protein. All of these products are hydrating. I just needed a bit. Last product was the hair gel. I would say this one is probably my favorite from the box. The gel was really easy to apply. I really could see like the definition, springing up as I was applying it, which I really like. And it's very lightweight, so it didn't really make my hair super wet. It did create a cast, which I was quite surprised about. I think this is a great gel for the summer. It feels very lightweight. I think this would be nice for fine hair as well. However, the whole wash day overall just went a little wrong. And to be quite honest, I mostly blame the leave-in cream. As I was applying it, my clumps were getting thinner and my hair was getting separated and kind of weirdly dry. The results are a little iffy. So as you can see, there's some volume happening for sure. The sides look quite nice. There are sections which look really nice. But overall, it's just a little meh. Yeah, I don't know. I just have very mixed feelings about the results. My favorite products from this were definitely the shampoo and the gel. I just feel like the conditioner and the cream were maybe a little bit too heavy, even though my hair was dry and it is high porosity. A lot of shea butter sometimes just isn't for you. Yeah, so I probably wouldn't recommend these two if you have very fine hair or if it gets easily weighed down. I would recommend the shampoo if you're looking for a nice low push shampoo. And the gel is very lightweight, it's very basic. It has, the flaxseed gel as its main ingredient. So maybe if you really like flaxseed gel but you're kind of sick of making it in your kitchen, this is a great alternative. So this was a little bit of a hit and miss, but I'm still glad I got to try the brand, and I'm glad I have a gel that is close to flaxseed because I'm just gonna be honest, I'm too lazy to cook it. It's not the worst, it's not the best. Okay, so thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.